Fresh meat. Okay, now we are going to try the new Onvoy device. Just going to move this real quick. So it's pretty cool.
It's not like the Onvoy 2000, is it? Or
dun, 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 dun. Okay. So this is EMF. And then this is touch. Okay, so you guys could choose the letters either by touching the device. It's the temperature setting. So since it's so cold in here, I'm going to turn that down.
now, how do we know when they've selected a letter?
They just selected D, and when it says mag at the bottom, that means that it was magnetic.
Okay.
And then H mag. So I could turn this off, so it's just only if they touch it. So it's going to scroll through the letters, and then you could tap this device to select the letter that you'd like to spell out a word with. So you have to touch this device.
Would you guys want to spell something out? You have to touch the device when it's getting to the letter you want.
Just like this. Can you spell my name? Or your name? Can you give us a tap?
Can you tap the device?
They're looking at us like we're silly right now. Whoever's in the kitchen, there's someone in the kitchen.
Can we...
It almost sounded like somebody was talking.
So I'm going to change...
On the patio.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm going to change this to ask you some yes/no questions, okay? So you just tap the device. So do you think that we're being silly right now? Do we look silly?
Do you want us to go home?
I'm going to slow this down and make it easier for you.
They were chatty earlier.
Even the Ovilus stopped. I left room for them to sit.
Yeah, I was. When I got
Are
in
we
there-
at your favorite table?
Sometimes employees would sit here and eat.
Really?
Like if we were.
Okay, well I'm going to
Close the
turn
box as closest to the
the
kitchen.
electronic
That could be
back up.
it.
Maybe
They'll come
that's
out here
it,
to
yeah.
sit and eat.
But I felt like there was someone sitting right here, so I sat right across from them.
So that's the magnetic that they're using. I want to make sure that this isn't interfering.
No, it's not close enough to.
Do you want us to leave? Yes.
Did it say yes?
No. Yes. No. No.
You think that's how different people answer it?
They're fighting. Yes, we want them to stay a little longer, and no, get rid of them.
Are we entertaining to you?
No.
No. Is Philip with us? Yes.
Hi, Philip.
He's over there.
Hey, Philip. What'd you say no to?
Are there 4 of us here?
That was weird. It just switched to the screen for the letters.
Yeah,
Do you want us to go back to the letters so you could spell something? Yes. Okay. Okay, now you can spell whatever you'd like to tell us. W, B, C, D, I, J, N, O, P, Q, R,
It's doing the alphabet.
T, U.
It's doing the alphabet.
You're doing the alphabet.
He's
A,
fucking with us, is
I
what
love
he's
it.
doing.
B,
Was he that type of character that would
you're
do that?
messing
Yeah.
with us. C,
Absolutely.
Because he's sitting here and he...
D.
Oh, I can.
He is.
you
He's
guys-
going
It's going through the
the
alphabet.
whole alphabet.
He's like, you guys, I felt like he was standing behind Victor's right
Just
right
shaking his
shoulder.
head like-
Yeah, like, you guys are being silly. Like, this is ridiculous.
He is. He's going
Yeah,
through the
yeah,
whole
yeah,
alphabet.
Yeah. 'Cause he
Thank
wanted to
you.
fuck with us. He's like, I'm going to fuck with them.
We got the message loud and clear.
Can you just spell your name?
Please.
Please. Could you do so?
And then maybe we'll go home.
Nope. Just going through the alphabet. That's what we're doing.
Oh my gosh.
Amazing.
I wonder if the guys at GhostStop ever had that happen.
Well, this is not normal.
No, it's not. And so you see how it says MAG below the number? That's magnetic frequency that they're reading. So there's no touch. So if they were touching that right circle all the way to the right would be turning white. Can you touch this device?
Nope.
It's still alphabeting?
Yeah.
Throw it into the yes and no just to piss them off.
We're going back to yes and no.
Were you just messing with us?
Yes.
Good job.
Good job.
Are you behind Victor's right shoulder?
Yes. Or no. No, it's
No?
a no.
No?
No.
Are you standing behind me? Oh.
No.
Are you next to me?
Yes.
Yes.
I noticed that we both weren't sitting in the
Is this your favorite table?
No?
It said no, and then it says yes. Are you messing with us again? Yes. Yes, no, it's saying yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Try and say maybe.
Does it do maybe?
No.
Oh, okay.
Do you think we're crazy? Yes.
Yes. Well, thank you for having us here tonight.
Yeah,
we certainly
thank
do
you.
appreciate it.
You guys gonna have a party after we leave? No.
Are you going to bang some pots and pans after I leave? No?
Are you going to have a cigarette break after we leave?
Yes. But I think it's going and saying, just said no, no. I think it's going back and forth and saying yes, no, yes, no, yes, no.
Right.
He's just fucking with them.
Yeah. It would appear so.
But that matches the personality.
Oh, it does.
All right, so now we're going to do, I want to know how you feel. Now you're really messing with me?
Mm-hmm.
All the emojis.
No, the emojis won't come up.
They won't come up.
Oh.
Here they are.
Angry, scared,